I need your advice on how to fix dishwasher grinding noise.
I'm assuming your husband did not try to wash something mechanical in there, and leave the blades hitting all kinds of nuts and bolts.
No, the weirdest thing he's tried putting in there is raw salmon wrapped in foil to cook it.
Are any of the plates grinding together when the dishwasher runs?
No more than the standard clinking and clanking.
The cause might be broken ceramic or glass stuck down in the drain, all of it grinding against each other with each wave of water or turn of the water jets.
That's definitely a new reason to wear gloves when cleaning out the drain.
There might be debris inside the chopper.
The only chopper in there is the cutting board.
So the pump that pushes all that water around is wearing out so bad, it sounds like a car in need of repair.
If the pump is wearing out, it could be leaving metal pieces on my plates and silverware.
You freak out about water spots on glass, you're going to see metal shavings on your silverware. However, you may have metal shavings from a worn-out pump spreading into other components.
So it'll either finally give a death shriek and die, or flood the house.
There's no reason it cannot do both, though metal shavings are more likely to make it down the drain than really big chunks of food.
I've had food clog at the drain in the garbage disposal.
If your garbage disposal is making extra noises too, the metal shavings might have reached that far.
Or metal pieces from a wearing down motor may not be the cause of the noise.
The water inlet valve could make a grinding noise as it wears down.
That could cause it to not take in water and clean the dishes.
If the water pump in the dishwasher finally seizes, it won't pump the water out that the inlet valve let in. Now you'll either have a flooded floor or reason to hand drain the dishwasher.
That's assuming it is not something like a broken piece of plastic stuck down around the bottom of the dishwasher.
Yeah, and a foreign object could lodge against the gears or pump too.
That means taking apart the dishwasher to find the broken item that may be causing the noise.
Look at it this way, you may save time and money for the repairman if you determine it is not a piece of the kid's fancy plate if it is a broken motor.